Ella Ives Inspiring Libraries. The Adams Street Library, Brooklyn, NY, designed by architects WORKC, opened in 2021. It is Brooklyn Public Library's 60th branch library, and the first new branch built since 1983. It faces Brooklyn Bridge Park from a ground floor location in a former factory building. Its windows capture views of the Manhattan Bridge and downtown Manhattan. The program for the compact 6,565 square foot branch contains a wide spectrum of services which were inspired by outreach to and extensive feedback from the diverse community surrounding it. The novel design places children at its core in a playful wood acoustic panel tent reached through its parting curtain, with celebratory steps at its front and a mural wrapped ramp at its rear. Color and form are celebrated throughout the energized space. The library captures views of activity within as well as views out to the riverfront park, Manhattan skyline, and Manhattan Bridge. The entry area walls are covered with custom wall covering recalling the trees of the nearby park, and the children's ramp is enlivened with wall covering with images of fish referencing the adjacent river. The welcome zone, teen zone, adults zone, and a program zone wrap the central children's zone with a celebration